Hey guys, we're going to do a quick unboxing on the new Airstream stick vacuum. If you followed along, we've actually seen this at the show. So we wanted to bring them in. Unboxing, that's the hose. Actually a stick vacuum with a hose. Got your charger, a couple of little bits of screws for mounting hardware, a washable filter, of course battery. It's a 2-in-1 tool, so you've got dusting and upholstery. This is a 2-in-1 for dusting and crevices. That is the carpet attachment, wand. You have the body itself, very lightweight. Press for empty. Filter, and this lines up here on the side and clicks on. Pop this battery on. This is the caddy that everything mounts and then hangs on from the wall. This is one of my great favorite tools that I discovered at the show. It's a mini nozzle that's electric. Clean all your carpeted stairs, upholstery, chairs, sofas, stuff like that. Then you have, of course, your floor tool, very lightweight, rubber coated wheels, so it's not going to mar any of the wood flooring, scratch anything. And then it has the fluffy roller for bare flooring, so it's going to get up all that fine dust as well, with an LED light in the front. That's everything there. Put this guy together. Not sure if it has any juice in it out of the box. And pull. And pull off. Pop this off. Here. That is an adjustable head, so it actually rotates with you. Then of course you can just pop all your tools on. Like I showed on the video at the show, nobody else offers a hose on their stick. So now you can walk around like a canister vacuum, full size, dusting with this unit, just like this. So that to me is a game changer because nobody else offers that. And then if you really wanted to reach up high for fans and ceilings, now you can go way up and clean. So really excited to have these in the store. I think these are going to be a phenomenal machine. Customers are going to love it. It was one of those machines I seen at the store. It was like an aha moment, especially with the hose. So just want to do a quick unboxing so you see it. Thanks guys.